let's make some spicy shrimp. I'm going to use some tamarind concentrate, some coconut milk, crushed tomatoes, cumin, Garam Masala, turmeric, some ginger, onion, garlic, mustard seeds for some heat, a couple Serrano Chilies, and this doesn't really go in the recipe, this red bell pepper, but I think it'll look nice in there, so I'm going to put it in there. And of course shrimp, I have a pound of shrimp that's small, so they're more bite size, and they're already peeled and ready to cook. So let's get started. I've been heating my pan a bit over medium heat. I'm going to add some olive oil, about 3 tablespoons. I want to tell you that you can find the complete recipe in the description under the video, because I'll miss something. I'm going to add mustard seeds. Spread those around. My pan's not real hot, and that's fine. I'm going to add the ginger, about a tablespoon of garlic, and the Serrano Chilies. Instead of Serrano Chilies, you could use dried pepper flakes, like red pepper flakes, to your liking, or none. I'm going to stir this up and let this cook for, just a few seconds. This is cooked for 1 minute. I've turned the heat up to a little bit over medium. I'm going to add the onion. And some spices. Garam Masala, if I'm saying that correctly. Turmeric. And cumin. It's all a half a teaspoon. And we're going to cook the onions a bit. When the onions have cooked for about 5 minutes, the pan's getting dry. I'm going to add 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. I'll get all of those in there. 3 tablespoons of the tamarind. And the red bell pepper. And we're going to let this simmer for just a little bit to come together and for the flavors to marry. Well, the tomatoes have cooked down and gotten thick, about 15 minutes. And when you get coconut milk, lots of time there's cream on the top. So we want to be sure and get all that out of here. And then pour some more in. A little over half the can. And we'll cook this in. This has been going about 10 minutes with the coconut milk. I have a taste. Oh, that tastes good. Oh my goodness. Needs a little bit of salt though. And this is coarse salt, so you actually see it. If I was using table salt, you wouldn't even see me add it because it just is fine fluff. So there's probably, a half a teaspoon of coarse salt, which would be a 1/4 teaspoon of finely ground salt. It's not even that spicy. I'm going to add the shrimp that's defrosted. And we'll cook this about 3 minutes or so till the shrimp are done. Then we're ready to serve. We'll put some rice on my plate. You know, if you make something that's too spicy, then get extra rice, put it on your plate, and take a bigger bite of rice with your spicy food. But this is not the case here. And our shrimp smells wonderful. The coconut smells wonderful. Put some sauce on the rice. Add some parsley or cilantro if you like. I actually love cilantro. That is so good. Wonderfully flavored. You could use more spice. That's for sure. Thank you so much for watching.